Who needs special glue, woodworking clamps, or any professional technique when you can just use a rope, some wire, and a few nails? That's right. The official DIY Handbook of Improvisation brings you the ultimate fix for cracked wood. Whether it's a board, a beam, or even that thin scrap you thought was hopeless, everything is now repairable. It's the kind of idea that makes you laugh while secretly wondering, could this actually work? Want to see how this miracle of makeshift engineering claims to save any wood? Then follow this step by step and be amazed.